Okay, in this lab I'm going to show you how to complete the assignment 4, which has 2 exercises. So the first part is basically we're going to configure the host card. Yeah. Okay, first we log on to all the 3 machines that provided. Okay, this is the okay, yeah, this is lone DC1, and then on the host one I also going to log on, and then also on the server one. Okay, so next, yep, so the guarded fabric with admin trusted attestations and shielded VM location. Yeah, so okay, after that run this command. Okay, this will take a while because the command includes the restart. So I'm going to pause the video and let this installation complete and restart the server. Okay, installation is completed and now restarting. Okay, so the host guardian role service already installed. We log on back to the host one, and we're going to configure the host key protection and attestations URL. So the server that will be used for this is London server 1. Yeah. So open again the PowerShell. Then copy paste the command. So currently we have not configured London server 1, but we just designate this as the server that provide the attestations services, Lone server 1. At this moment this has not been configured yet. Okay, this will take a while. Wait. Okay, done already, and is host guarded is false because we have not completed the configuration. And then when you try to test the attestation attempt, then you will get error, or the result is false because we have not configured the server, the attestations in this one. Yeah, so it's not configured yet. Yeah, we have only configured the host one yet at this moment. Yeah. Okay, so continue in the server manager. After that open the Hyper-V manager. This part is skip. Yeah, you because currently we don't have any DC1 or server 1. DC1 server 1 is run here at the virtual machine. Okay, so this one you can basically no need to run. Yeah, so this no need. Okay, skip this part. Yeah, then you open the lone server 1 here, then continue here in lone server 1. So we run this command. Yeah, sorry. Yep, here you go. Install the features, host guardian service role, include management tools, restart. Okay, so this also will take a few minutes to complete, and will include the restart. Yeah, so this is the part to configure the launch server 1. Okay, the installation is completed, and now waiting for restart. Okay, reboot or restart finished already. Then we log on again to the launch server 1, and then open the PowerShell as the admin. Then run this shell. This command is basically creating the local variable named admin password to store the encrypted string pa55w.rd. Yeah, will be used as the variable to store the encrypted password string. And then install the host guardian server with the domain condoso.com. Okay, into this server. Okay, restart again. Yeah, yeah, so preparing. So this install the Active Directory domain controller role, and then also the ADDS4S, yeah, for the domain name condoso.com. Okay, installation is completed. Now it's restarting. Okay, gentle reminder that this process is taking quite a long time, yeah? Maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So the video I already have paused and shortened. Okay, I think after 50 minutes then this completed, yeah. So now this become domain controller. We log on as a Condoso administrator. Okay, we open the PowerShell with admin. Then continue with creating the folder to store the temporary file for the certificate and so on. And after that we create the local variable for storing the certificate password, similar like previous command. This converting the plain text password into the encrypted password. After that create another local variable name signing cert, and then we create a new self-signed certificate stored into this variable. Okay, once this finished, then we're going to export the certificate. Store into the folder that just now we created, CHES. Okay, so if you dir CHES, you see the content. You have this signing cert.pfx. Okay, after that we create and export the encryption certificate. So this one, copy again the command. Then once finished, then we export the certificate. So what happened, we have created the two certificates. One is for the signing, the other one is for the encryption. Okay, then dir again. So now we have the two certificates, one for the encryption, one for the signing. Okay, now we are ready to install the to initialize the service. So we copy this here. So to initialize, we need this two certificate which was created earlier. Okay, then run. This process also will take a few minutes to complete. If you see this video is shorter because I already paused the video when the process is running, so looks like can complete faster. Okay, so the initialization services completed. Then we're going to continue by adding the DNS configuration to create the forwarding rule. So run the command. Okay, so this is to configure the forwarding rule on the DNS server. You can check the result by opening the server manager and then go to the DNS management console, and you will see on the DNS console that the new forwarding rule has been created. Wait a while for the DNS tools to be refreshed. Okay, so you can see here that the forwarding for the editum.com already been configured for 172.16.0.10. Okay, so this step completed. Then we continue again, create a one-way forest trash. So copy the command. Okay, so create a trash for the contoso.com to the editum.com. Okay, completed already. Then we switch to the other server. Yeah, command completed successfully. Go to the London DC1. Okay, open the PowerShell on the Lone DC1. Okay, so same as in the server 1, we also going to run the command to create the DNS forwarding rule. Copy the command. Okay, then we create a forwarding rule for contoso.com. You check in the DNS console. Also created the forwarding rule to contoso.com to the 172.16.0.11. Okay, so the forwarding rule was created. Okay, so now we're going to create the Active Directory groups. to store the host which going to be part of the host guardian guarded host. So open the AD user and computer, click the right click user, create a new group, then give the name. The group's name is the HGS host, yeah, with the S behind. Okay, click OK. Then from the properties we add the member of this HGS host. Okay, add the lone host 1 as a member. So add the members, change the computer of the object types to the computer, add the computer, so we can search the lone host 1. Okay, after that we're going to verify the AD groups by running the PowerShell command get the AD group. Okay, so the output is showing the group has been created. And you can also verify the members. The lone host 1 already member of this group. Okay, later we need to copy the SID of the group. Yeah, let's do it later, but let's verify first the membership of the lone host 1. Okay, go back to the Active Directory user and computer, go to the computers container. In the lone host 1, double click to open the properties, then click the member of. Yeah, you see it's been added to the HG as a host group. Okay, and then we're going to save the SID of this group into a text file. So open the notepad, then we're going to save this file into the London C drive. Okay, file save as, give the name sid.txt in a lone $, lone DC1 $. Okay, close. Yeah. Now we switch to the other server. Okay, yeah, lone server 1. Okay, yep. So open the SID in the lone DC1 through the file explorer. Okay, double backslash lone DC1 and then $. This is the SID. Just copy. We're going to use this in the next command we run in the PowerShell, which is add HGS attestation. So copy the command and then replace the SID behind with the Active Directory group SID. Yeah, remove that. Then copy, paste. Okay, enter. The command completed successfully, and then you're going to test the command by running the get HGS attestation test. Yeah, so correct. Yeah, the command completed successfully. Okay, and then get the trace to do the diagnostics testing. So this result must be successful, completed, and then showing you the green color text, meaning everything okay. Okay, this will take a while, the command to do the tracing. Just leave it running. Okay, you saw that now the overall result is passed with the green color. So we completed already exercise 1. Okay, so by completing the last task, we have completed the task 1, which is deploying the guarded fabric with the admin trusted attestation. Okay, thanks for watching. I will continue with the next video.